New just listed home, 8379 Ender Hills Drive, Wesley Chapel, Florida, by Ashley Mason and Stephen Mason from the Military Veteran Team. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers over 2,370 square feet of barely lived-in home that still feels brand new. At 8379 Ender Hills Drive. It's a stunning 2-story family residence with an open concept flow connecting the living, dining, and a gourmet kitchen featuring granite and stainless steel. The home includes a primary bedroom with an ensuite, 3 additional bedrooms, and 2 more full bathrooms. Enjoy resort-style living with the Epperson Lagoon Community's 7.5-acre Crystal Lagoon, clubhouse, and amenities. Move right into this modern home with smart technology, a perfect alternative to new construction. This gem won't last long. Act now.